I am not a Malala Yousafzai. I am not a Malala Yousafzai.
Kashmiri journalist Yana denounced Pakistan's propaganda against India, affirming her safety in Kashmir. She rejected comparisons to Malala Yousafzai, emphasizing Kashmir's integration with India. Mir urged media to stop fabricating oppression stories and called for peace. She received the Diversity Ambassador Award for promoting diversity in Jammu and Kashmir. The event highlighted India's stance on Kashmir's integral part and the need for reclaiming areas affected by Pakistani aggression. Attendees praised Mir's commitment to her country, emphasizing unity against terrorism and propaganda.
I am not a Malala Yousafzai. I am not a Malala Yousafzai. Because I am free and I'm safe in my country, India, in my homeland Kashmir, which is part of India. I will never need to run away from my homeland and seek refuge in your country, honorable MPs. I will never even ever be a Malala Yousafzai. But I object to Malala Yousafzai defaming my country, my progressing homeland, by calling it oppressed. I object to all such toolkit members on social media and from foreign media who've never cared to visit Indian Kashmir, but fabricate stories of oppression from there. I urge you all to stop polarizing Indians on grounds of religion. We won't allow you to break us. This year on Sankalp Divas, all I hope for is that our perpetrators living in UK and Pakistan will stop maligning my country in international media, on international human rights forums. Stop unwanted selective outrage. Stop trying to polarize Indian society remotely from your cozy UK living rooms. Thousands of Kashmiri mothers have lost their sons already because of this dark hole of terrorism. Stop coming after us. Let my Kashmiri community live in peace. Thank you and Jai Hind.